A day at our dairy farm. I wonder what is a dairy farm? When you go to the store, you buy things like milk and cheese and butter and yogurt. Those are all in the dairy section. I wonder where did all those foods come from? This is a book about a dairy farm. And a dairy farm looks like it's a farm with lots of cows. Matt, my mom calls. It's time to milk the cows. The cows get up early. So do I. The cows munch grain and hay. The cows are washed before they are milked. How about that? They have to get a bath first. Then Dee helps put the milking machines on the cows. So do I. Milking the cows doesn't hurt them. It takes 6 to 10 minutes to milk each cow. We have 100 cows. They give a lot of milk. Each day a cow can give 90 pounds of milk. 90 pounds of milk would fill these cans. The milk moves into a tank. The tank makes the warm milk cold. How about that? The milk that comes from the cow is warm, and they put it into a tank to make it cold. Each day a truck picks up the milk that is in the tank. We send our milk to be mixed with milk from other dairy farms. I bet you've seen a truck like that before. We mop and wash the dairy barn so everything is clean. Mom, Dad, and Dee work hard. So do I. We milk our cows again before dark. Then they rest. So do I. How about that? They milk their cows in the morning and then in the evening before it gets dark. That's a lot of milk.